off the VANOS today so that we can replace the
got him!
Little connector piece on the solenoid. And that's all we're doing. And then we're putting it all back together. That's about it. This is the VANOS.
Mm-hmm.
The gasket wasn't here, obviously, and we had all these bolts. Oh, thanks.
So it looked like this.
Okay. Yep. And we had all these bolts taken off, and we had to detension the chain here. If my assistant will push down on it, and it releases the tension, and we put a pin in it. We used an Allen wrench. It was super small too.
And there's these little.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
In there, and like you push down the tensioner thing, and it's got this little like guide for the chain, and the chain guide goes down below the hole, and then you put your tensioner in there, and then that thing sits there and holds it, so it can't come back up. So it just sits there and pushes against the tensioner, and that lets the chain just kind of be loose. And
it doesn't need much force at all to keep it down. And then he got under the car, and we had to move the crankshaft.
It's connected to the camshaft.
Right. And
which is what we actually had to turn.
And then you jiggle the VANOS, and it comes off a little bit. It kind of detaches. The solenoid here kind of detaches, and part of the VANOS, you'll see it will have teeth on it. And you jiggle it out, and then he gives another half-inch turn, the same way as earlier, and this just slides and pops right out. Okay, so we plug this in, and it's time to put the VANOS back on, right? And so, kind of the opposite of what we did before. You kind of jiggle it on, get all the bolts and this, everything lined up, and then the other way, clockwise now, I guess, from this angle, until the teeth kind of fit together halfway, so you can't really jiggle this anymore, this part where we're attaching it, and then he gives another quarter-inch turn, and it pops right in, and then you can screw on all your bolts, put on your gasket, and continue.
And then we're on to put on the valve cover.
Yes, that's what we're doing. We're putting on our valve cover. Woo!
Thanks for watching.
Follow and subscribe if you guys want to know more, and follow along and see where Vanessa ends up.
Cool.
Yep.
Good vibes.
Good vibes.